Alright, YouTubers, today we've got a 2007 Chrysler Town & Country, 320,000 miles on this thing, and the air conditioning doesn't work. Just put a new compressor in, new rear evaporator core last year, and so anyway, we've got a situation down there where we've got power to the clutch, but we got a 1 volt voltage drop, and so we came over here to the totally integrated power module, and what we found was on socket 87 right here. This socket right there goes to this pin on the back, pin number 4 on that connector. According to the schematic, it is a blue yellow wire. Well, that's this wire right here in the harness. So instead of going out and buying a new TIPM module, which is who knows how much this thing would cost, because when you check continuity between this pin and that pin, there's something wrong in the box. There's no continuity. So check continuity from here to the compressor. That's good. Ran power to it with the power probe and get the compressor clutch to engage. No issue. But so what we did was we just took the box apart, and all you have to do is take these 4 screws out, separate this module from the box, from the circuit board, and then carefully pry these tabs here, 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 and here off, and then this whole fuse block will come out of the case. So then I just drilled a hole straight down this line into the bottom of the box, ran a wire in there, and then I went right to the terminal instead of going through, and then we're just going to piggyback this wire to here. So next step will be to solder this, and then we'll let you know if this works. Alright, we're back. So we have the totally integrated power module back in the car with my piggybacked wire down there. You can see the little white wire. It's bundled up, zip tie. Got the battery back in. We've already done an op check on the relay to make sure that this works. And so now put the relay back in, and we'll get the car, turn it on, put the ignition on, and then we'll go over to our Foxwell scan tool and activate the clutch. So we'll come down here, because that's the whole problem, why the AC wasn't working, is the clutch wouldn't work. So now we're going to turn on the clutch remotely with the scan tool. Alright, so that's a good fix. Compressor's spinning, air conditioning is running, everything is back to normal. Just had a bad connection inside that TIPM box. So if your air conditioning is not working, don't always assume it's refrigerant. Do your electrical checks, and you may have to make a jumper. Who knows? Hope this helps. See you next time.